Sounds of Decay 3 is Vltimas. Epic. Supergroups rarely produce strong consecutive releases, but in the case of Vltimas, the 2015 union of David Vincent with Flo from Cryptasy and Rune from Era Noir has flourished again. Their 2019 debut, Something Wicked Marches In, received rave reviews on Flo's bang bang tempo changes, chilling guitar voicings, and Vincent's very loud, boisterous vocal attack. The album's success was fortified with tours all across Europe, a feat the bands plan to accomplish again this spring. Their unique crosslink of pounding death and sinister black sound, powerful and refreshed for the latest disc, Epic. Despite the title, it's a relatively short record, clocking in around the 38-minute mark, with most tracks dwelling in the tidy 5-minute range like the debut. Obviously, they are sticking with a winning formula, but there are just enough intense and creative moments to make the disc interesting.
There's definitely no softening of the Vltimas sound, evidenced in cuts like the pounding Miserere and the aptly titled Scorcher, both of which find Flo blasting away almost incessantly against Rune Eriksson's tritone oscillations. Fans of early Morbid Angel will be particularly pleased to hear Vincent's vocals storm over these intense tracks. But there are other tempo flavors on offer, and the more trad metal fare is every bit as strong. Vincent executing a Dio-esque chorus for the doomy Mephisto Manifesto. Lyrically, they are all over the black metal map, from the violent crucifixion themes of Exercitus Irae to the ode to black widows eating their young in Nature's Fangs, the latter of which offers some of Eriksson's most impressive guitar work, from hooky arpeggios to well-crafted solos. Speaking of which, I did some research about spiders. It's actually a lot more common for the mother to let the spiders eat her.
Oh.
That came up a lot more. Tarantulas do it. The mama tarantula, she's a badass. She gives her body to the children. They eat her.
The ultimate sacrifice.
Yeah. Anyway, this is a welcome return by Vltimas, the moniker based on the Spanish words, the last ones. An assembly consistently proving that supergroups do not have to be a flash-in-the-pan gimmick. David can wear whatever top hat adjacent Dickens swag he wants at this point. The man has earned it. This is Scorcher.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.